Get into it.
You don't do
it. Wait a minute.
I don't like it.
It's killing the vibe. You're killing the flow.
I don't like stress myself.
Then if the song is sweet, you can double that.
That's the problem. When dance not too popular now, a whole choreographer like me,
I beg you.
Well, in case you
Spirit of David.
No, but you know now.
Nah, show man be the spirit.
But
Now,
you
show man be
get
the
some players
spirit.
we play when they round up football.
Yeah.
They no can do well.
Yeah, they
Just
no
like
try.
when you were wrapping up with the last appearance for City of David at what's it called, Ikoyi? Embakri. When you guys come out with the white and white, that's your show.
My brother.
That Spirit of David was the shadow of David.
Shadow of David.
No, it was, now time where I don't get to do proper rehearsal.
Even the people who dance with you, the people who dance with you.
Those girls, we don't want to do it again now.
Those ones, the elders of David.
Why you don't come with son? Why you don't come with son
of
for December when we do Avalanche? Ali Baba do breakdance. Everybody, we had people that came there. Linda Jaffa was there. We had popular people that.
We see
Ali
them,
Baba
we see
did
them,
breakdance.
we see them.
Oh, he did breakdance. Very big.
And then I was not far from calling the group elder of David. And then you're always on point, man.
I'm on point.
In case you just join us, I mean, this one that your nice show they call BOBOS Yan, and you have been saving relationships since 2014. Straight up, Shakara is inside here, the peace ambassador. You have seen him. YSF. And that was very far away from me. I don't want to shake him, but it's over.
Let the ladies
over that side.
All of a sudden,
all of a sudden, the devil is far from me. Just because
I don't even know.
I know women. The women can come between friends.
You see, just like that.
Just like that. So when always come in between friends like that. Wow. I didn't know they come like that too. Wow, that's very deep.
Women come in between friends.
We have someone inside the bar, in case you do not know, that can come in between me
and she came
and the devil right now. Because right now she's in between me and the devil.
Yes.
But
How come I'm in between both of them?
you are in between us.
please make welcome Cindy.
Cindy
is inside. Why are we not having a close-up of Cindy? Can we have a view of Cindy? I want to hear.
Cindy.
I want to see.
Is it Cinderella or which?
Just Cindy.
Just Cindy.
Okay.
So Cindy is a businesswoman.
You've not had a Yoruba sugar daddy before, I guess. Have you?
Myself? No. I don't get it.
Because you should know that name they can call you. Omolo Lua Cindy.
Lua Cindy.
Hey. So how are you?
I'm good.
I need to give you a hug before they don't say I know. This is how we do it normally. This is
Shoma,
always
is this how we do
very.
it normally?
That's how we do it.
Is that how we do it normally,
That,
Shoma?
Well, you leave us out and
You are
just
now
say
because
that,
we are outside, you are inside, you can do it normally. Yeah? That's how you do it normally. Okay.
I don't know why we go inside, but Mumu go there inside the other bar. They call person, they saw person. So to hug person now, I want Mutula, they call my name.
When they don't get money to buy beer, they know they say, I like this buy. Don't allow person.
They say I no get sense. Who no get sense now when they disturb me, when they do show that?
See, this buy, if you don't get money, don't allow you enter.
Yes, now. If you don't have money, you can't bring. If you think you're lying, enter the bar.
This now
VIP
bar.
Enter the bar. Well, we have a very sexy topic today, and we brought an Oteku who is the lover of the bar also to come inside and then discuss this matter. Today, we want to talk one simple thing. We want. Oh my God, God will punish that person at the same The monkey say they come inside the bar. Enter the bar, nobody they talk you.
Finish this drink by the end.
Now we want to discuss something very important. Shakara is the level where you have to beg for alcohol from
Shakara, come on.
Because I know she's.
Are you that
I don't want
desperate?
her to waste it.
So,
Do you want more?
our matter for today is one very simple one. And in case you are seeing on social media portals, you can also go in there and then send in your comments on this very matter. We've discussed it before. Today we are here because we have someone who is a female that can discuss it. Your sexy neighbor, where they try avoid all this. There's a problem now. There's someone.
You see now. Funny enough,
Yes.
You see?
I get money for this bar.
This is the one that has been disturbing and shouting since inside that place.
Cindy, how are you?
If you have money, bring it out.
They say I don't get money to call this bar.
Bring the money.
I don't call this bar now.
Bring the money.
This is
Openly down. Bend down. Come forward here.
Wait, show me. Wait.
Okay.
I don't get you bad boy for this old member.
We have it. Now you said this new bad boy.
This girl.
Now, but I tell you, you don't know who this is.
Where are the bouncers?
Show me.
Where are the bouncers?
No, hold on. You make man say anybody will get money, make call the bar.
Yes.
I get money.
Show
I
the
don't call
money.
this bar.
That's how we play. Do you want play that song again?
Show them the money. Let him show us the money.
Play it again.
Are you gonna dance?
Play it again.
I
Yes.
saw you the money.
Show me the
Show us
money.
the money.
Do you want play it? Hey.
Are you gonna dance you? If I show you my money, are you gonna dance you?
Wait.
Hold on. Meanwhile, this is what we're going to do. Our bouncers, we yes. We are sacking them officially.
Yes,
They
yes.
can't just allow
Anybody.
you know,
anyhow.
back into our bar.
Really?
Maybe because you
This
feel
local
say,
bar?
you feel say,
You say that local
This
bar.
local bar.
you know the only reason why we won't forgive this guy because his birthday was a few days ago. You understand?
So we can
If
forgive
not,
him.
anybody that tries this thing,
Shagara,
if
I
not
do better,
again,
my phone no loss. I do better, don't see my phone.
funny enough,
People,
No. When you surround yourself a bit with riffraffs,
no,
they go thief for hand.
And
you will say-
now. You
that-
will
you
come.
will come
We have an Otepo in the bar, and then I will explain and introduce who is seated beside me here because he will be part of the discussion
because
today.
this
We
kind
want
of
to
person
go
need
ahead
explanation.
and discuss it.
Not just
Then
introduction, because you
take-
said you explain.
I have to explain who because they have never seen someone that will enter into the bar and disrupt the bar.
I think give me bad.
Well, he has the power to do it, and I hope he will
yes,
drop money for us because they say when we got enter inside bar, money
He
must
need to
also
drop
fall.
money.
So
Shakara.
if you fall your hand, National TV. This is the one and only supervising producer of Wazobia TV. His name is Obi Martins.
Yeah. They know, they
You have
know.
been hearing him
They know.
before.
They
Shoot
know.
The only one that is saying shoot it. So
shoot
he's
it.
here. We are glad
Head
that
of Anchors Wazobia.
we will have
Shoot
money to
it.
spend
Shakara.
in this bar today.
Which make me get my head and say, show man, they wear my jeans. In they wear my jeans.
Easy. Don't come on.
please.
Let's
Let's not hang our destiny.
So you agree, Abi?
So,
Let's not hang our
CD is in
destiny.
the bar today, Obi is here, then one is here, Shakara is here.
Please.
And that topic what they discuss, that they say, you get one sexy name, but we dey try avoid all this while. You dey try avoid them. But she can't call you one day, can't say me, you can't help and fix one small problem with it for house. You go. I'll throw it first before I come to be. I'll throw it to Cindy. Cindy, you are a lady, so I don't say you go sabi this kind of matter. You are a sexy neighbor that I am living with you and beside you, and I'm trying to avoid.
You want Cindy to answer the question very well.
Okay,
Then
so what
use
do you
a
say?
good example. You know, it's not even
What do
me.
you by a good example? I like bad
Because
example.
when we say a sexy neighbor, we need those tall, huge.
No, the sexy
Don't-
neighbor is
No.
the sexy neighbor is the lady.
Who get this bag? Who get this bag? Who get this bag?
Funny enough, now borrow them.
The sexy neighbor is the girl.
No, apart from when we're talking about the girl now, the
We have
neighbor has
not
to
come
be a
to
guy.
yeah, the neighbor is a guy. Now you are the one that is avoiding the problem.
Hello.
You understand?
Hello, viewers for the house. You see these people, now one person get the bar, now one person be the friend. They only come drink for the bar when they pay money. So they are two.
Before we ask Cindy to discuss, because this is when I go on this break and Obi Martins is going to leave us because right now he's disturbing our show. Please tell him goodbye and tell him
Go back to your office. Go to
his
your
office.
Shoot
So
it.
right now we are
Give
going
your
to the
last take.
streets.
Give your last
I
take.
will go for straight. Take it away.
Bye-bye.
Take it away. I'm going for straight.
I know go because I know say I dey avoid am in the first place, and I know say that one na just trap. Wetin I wan go do for there again?
I go help am do, and the only thing be say I need to dey careful, make you no put me for trouble. Na be the only thing wey I go fit do. But for me, I go help am do am. I no go touch because say him carry small thing dey threa ten me. Come make say I no go do that thing.
Okay, we don't Welcome back. This one is Sit Down Your Night Tonic, what they call BOBOS, where you get those 3 men that sit down inside the bar to discuss. And today we have a lady we can't enter inside the bar. Cindy is inside the bar with us. And I tell you one topic, say you get one sexy neighbor where they try to avoid all this period. But she can't call you, tell you, say she gets one problem. What thing you go do? So I throw him before Obi Martins don't drive.
We have to drive him. It was a total distraction.
Nuisance and disruption to this bar. He doesn't have money to give us, so you know there's no need to.
There's no need to keep him here.
So Cindy, we have at least with you we can have benefits. Who knows what?
You can come in between us.
So please tell us what you for do if a sexy neighbor like me now, I'm the one that is coming and I'm avoiding. You are a sexy neighbor, sorry, but I am avoiding you because I know you want to crank me. And yes, I know that you want to. Now you can't call me one day say, man, I can't help you fix maybe your tap or something or your light will get issue and I can't fix them. Maybe that kind of 10 or 11 for night.
Okay.
How you want to do them?
Wait,
Or more turn around, maybe see that maybe the guy now.
okay.
No, because he has to be a very sexy guy.
Now. A sexy guy like you.
No, it can't be you.
It can't be you. You can't be sexy guy.
I am the sexy guy that you are trying to avoid all this while.
She will not get the question.
You want to avoid
avoiding
me.
you.
You know, say you if you dare with me, you go fall. So now I can't call you one day for maybe around kind 10 or 11. Say, I beg me you come and get serious issue.
Or your mosquito net. You know all the time the women they
no
feel
problem. So something.
Women they feel so.
You go.
I no go.
But na life and death matter.
Make
Life
the guy.
and death.
The
Not
guy
really me the
telling
person know now.
No, but
You know that you get compound here, and later they live for the same compound.
You know,
You
your
get
flat
for
did
the
that.
make-up.
He go make phone call late at night. Nobody dey where he fits. You don't go happy say maybe if you can't go now, person the guy go there, you can't regret say you wish you were there to save him.
Are you Jesus?
No.
No, but sometimes come on. I mean, now we be the Jesus on earth. We help people.
Okay,
I won't
Cindy.
I won't go.
What thing you go do? Sure you go leave her.
If you should call me, like he call my phone, right?
Yeah.
So make I
Yes,
call
yes,
him.
Or
Yeah.
event security, they go call.
Say me you can't help her.
There are some things that only girls fit do. Fit help person do.
Okay.
Remember say you yourself you dey like the guy, but you dey avoid them.
You dey avoid that now, and the opportunity come the way be say he can't call you. You understand? Maybe now you know say this guy gets girlfriend, but you know say you like the guy pieces. You understand? But right now you don't dey try avoid, and then today can't be the day when he can't call you. I know the first your reaction go be say you go dey happy. I know say most girls
They go first ginger.
You understand? How do you think you go react in the end? Will you go? You say you don't go, but really think and well.
You should say no go. If this guy na the guy wey he dey alright o.
He get girlfriend, right?
I'm just saying if you no get,
If he no get, you just be say the guy na.
but you dey avoid the guy.
Okay.
As far as I'm avoiding him, I don't
Cindy,
go.
who will be your celebrity crush? Or if I give option like Majid, Michael, Michael, be name.
Name na.
Magic Michael.
And maybe where are these guys today? No, you know the one where you don't.
I wonder why they leave celebrities.
Actors.
You want
Which celebrity where you dey die for? Where you know say you for like crank?
No, I know they die for him, but I just like his physique.
You for like crank, leave all these things.
Wait.
No, Messi
I just like I like John Dumelo.
Okay, John Dumelo.
John Dumelo.
Okay, let me say that
I
John
like
Dumelo be the guy.
Yeah, be the guy. You see how you have first.
Let me make this guy no face plan.
What do you mean? No, it's not that.
She don't see you
It's not that. That's not what he said.
John Dumelo resemble you, so if like say she gets, now you be a really
What are you saying?
Yeah, I know what I'm saying.
Mo just come out John Dumelo push akara.
You get crush on
Mo
this
your
guy.
push akara.
No.
You don't get crush.
May not be like say.
Let's say you are crushing on John Shakara.
On John Shakara.
John Shakara,
You say that John Shakara. If you are crushing on, if the guy can call you now, so yeah, come save me. You go. You know go, Abi.
I don't go.
And this is not the only time when you get
I
to
won't
day
go
alone with this guy for night.
On my own, I dey avoid them. Then if you call me, one thing will come my head. Say maybe
Why you feel say girls go want avoid the guy?
why I feel so.
Why if you say you want avoid this very cute, fine? Because I know some girls will like challenge. We even know say the guy gets somebody. It's a good time for us to also go ahead.
So true care there. No, we die
So
there.
really, what you go make you feel say a girl won't really avoid this guy?
I say come, I no go. Except
Why
say
you
maybe-
be why you feel say you want avoid them all this? Why?
I don't know, say, probably from the way they do, you know, they straightforward, or in ways not too pure.
Nah,
so there's no need going there to fool myself.
Fine boys, most of them see fine boys.
I get many people.
I'm not too fancy fine boys, so.
But John Dumelo, when you crush on that,
I get
You asked me, say, I like his physique, as in I like her physique.
And you know why?
I like
why
her.
most girls beef fine boys.
Fine boy, why?
You know, be say because they don't like and say fine. Because they know say a lot of people stay there.
So other people go to them too. Yeah.
So not be say you fine boy, no they good looking to them. If they see fine boy, where they get assurance, say this fine
this
boy.
one, most people they see all fine boys as players. They when they see them saying a player, a player. So now why most times?
Just like guys like me now. For example, Mike, if you want to take example now. No, watch. You know,
they see you as player. You say they see you as player, then you are very, very nonsense and stupid because just say they know say you be player.
I know they talk about myself and they talk about the ladies. Again, we be very fine girl.
Can I, why you told my drink?
I don't tell your drink now. See they give me
okay, now I'll be drink. Okay.
See, a very fine girl. We be say when you see I'm a fine girl. Number one, you know be celebrity. You know they do anything. And you know they sing. You know they act. You just be fine girl. You understand? I look at Instagram and you get like 100,000 followers.
Which if you don't buy.
You know say I don't even hear you. Not even whether you buy or
no buy.
You understand? You see a lot of your followers. You see a lot of guys and you and your matter. People with it.
They go die on top of your matter.
You see me like this. I see like waste of time. I look and say,
say,
if you like, find from.
It gets some guys where they ready to spend their time, their resources just on that matter. You say get some guys, they get time.
Any guy when you see we get that kind of time for where, like he said, so many followers. Probably you just want taking part to run.
Yes, now everybody every
But
guy
for
wants
person who want something serious, you know go one even.
You know go get time to look at that kind of one.
Let me give you for instance now. There's somebody I like a whole lot. Linda Ejiofor. You understand?
You say one selling the cage.
I'm selling the cage. I was saying you go digger.
Linda Ejiofor of things that you understand is someone I like now. Now, if you go to say you just go look, you see that she get plenty followers. I know they follow her.
Say that one.
I'm not following her because of I am.
No, that one is different.
No, but she be actress.
Yeah, they talk of honorary girl.
You not be actress. You not be entertainment.
Even for drama groups.
That's what you're saying.
You know they even act for anyway. You know they even sing. You know they even sing for bedroom when you debate.
But you get followers.
You just be celebrating for Instagram.
And you join and be a follower in her life also, and drink and enjoy what other people enjoy. Don't you believe that?
You and the followers, you be pissed off.
No, but let me tell you, you don't believe that for a guy, you understand, you see a girl where get many followers, that means there's something about this girl. Now, what in doctor says, there's something about this,
it's not easy. The pictures are there. She's like that. She's about what she must be yellow because black girls follow us, no do things like that. For Nigeria, I don't know why in fact, we would accuse you of being racist. We are racist to ourselves.
That's why all the girls have gone to bleach.
We are racist to ourselves.
But we are very sure that no matter how much you bleach, there's no way you can bleach a particular
you have to
part of your body. So right now, I want to bleach this show. Let us just go to the street and want to see only fair ladies on the street. This is called the CC opinion. Right now, I am a racist. No way anywhere when you come back.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Oh boy. I no go make I no lie because something bad fit happen. I no go.
I go. I go help her.
I no get bad intention, so definitely I go. Since I no get any bad intention, say anything go happen.
Nothing go happen. I will control myself. I will go now because me I don't die for assist. I go see what opportunity when they come here. I go enter. Yes, now. Every girl can do that. Unless you don't like the person.
See this, so you have been lying to her.
I'm not been lying to you.
You are not sexist now.
That's her opinion.
You have not said the truth.
Apart from opinion,
No,
she
that's
doesn't
her
know on
opinion.
behalf of the lady.
She can't
Excessively.
speak on behalf of everybody.
She underlined that word, say, Person who don't
They like. No.
Don't blame
No.
the girl. You know, say na that girl, she not fair.
No.
Now why?
Look at this.
That's her opinion.
See the fair. Cindy will give. She's giving a fair opinion.
A fair opinion.
That girl is giving a very dark opinion.
No.
But in
Don't
case you are
watch this. I just said
you are
one
joining
line.
us, this is still BOBOS here, and we dey on top of the man and say your sexy neighbor wey you don dey try avoid all this. Why I can't call you? Can't say make you come and fix something. You go, and the ladies don't tell us clearly. Say they go.
They go.
Opportunity comes,
But
once. When you come, you come.
You come.
It's once. But we have Cindy in the bar. Shakara is here. Endeavor is here, and Cindy told us that she no go because she just no one for.
Cindy, you sure say you no go?
You know say as you don't
If
go
now
now.
John Numelo as you talk am, you sure say you no go?
Yeah, calm down.
No, Cindy, no.
No.
There, call the calabash.
You hold the calabash. Only I say you will not go.
I will not go.
Only I say if I go, I will not crank him.
What do you mean?
What are you telling me? This kind of ones, when they go there, they are not going to. You just wear very exposed.
Something short.
Something short.
See, Shoma, no,
It's not
it
true.
is at night, and at night you go.
What
So
are
that
yes
night
now?
gown we short.
Now
you never
of the man wey secretary. You understand? He wake up in the morning, he go office. As he reach the night, his secretary say happy birthday. He was already too angry because his wife no tell her happy birthday. His children no tell her happy birthday, but secretary can't say happy birthday. Now secretary come and say, okay, you know what? Say she won't take her out for breakfast. He was still happy again. Say, you can imagine my secretary. He's so nice to me. Now he go as they won't go the breakfast. Now house, you understand? Now they get carry and go. As he reach house, the thing just food the mind now. Oh, as just say, give me 1 minute, I am coming. She
go inside, won't go change.
Now my guy say, oh my goodness, my wife is a fool. My birthday is here. She not look at this. Look at my secretary. Just now the man come out trouser, come out
boxers.
Wear only boxers. They wait. As door open, now his wife and children, everybody, they call it a happy birthday.
With
he
cake.
was already ready with cake. He was ready to You understand? Her plan was a surprise. So I'm just saying, you understand? A man that sees opportunity must take it.
Going to this your story, I whether I joke or real life.
Yeah.
If I am the man,
You want to be what happened?
you see that secretary.
The secretary will plan with the wife now.
It's
They plan with the wife
It's a terrible thing to happen to any man.
I'm telling you, it's a terrible thing. But what do? You have seen a girl that taking you to inside the house.
I have to keep blow myself. Unless your house is
It's
hot.
very hot.
I almost died of heat.
If you see, what will you do in that situation where you see your husband is now naked in front of you? What you will do?
Secretary. You tell her happy birthday.
I'll be pissed off, first of all.
But you don't blame a man now. It's not his fault. You don't tell her. You don't tell her.
Now the venue where they want to do the surprise, that venue where they want to do the surprise
It's
is
a very wrong venue.
Yes.
It's a very wrong venue.
And that's the way of knowing who you get for house. You follow?
Why do you want to know a man? A man
It's a surprise now, a surprise.
A man, let me
I
tell
don't tell her
you.
surprise for house,
see,
right?
tell me true. If
Yes.
there any man for this Nigeria where if he point hand say this one, I trust him apart from his wife, you know go touch any other girl.
Points.
I should. Allow me to point now. Is it without telling me to point?
As you raise the hand now, what think about this on a different kind of name? Guess
My brother.
My nail polish.
It's different.
No, I say
different names.
Different color, different style.
Do you have any concept, anything?
It's a new fashion.
It's fashion trend.
The new fashion.
Now waiting
the
the trend.
color.
Now multicolored finger.
We like
I've been
it.
a contest no rich.
So I need to wrap up.
Contest no rich. They don't use
So
black tape.
party one, Mrs. John Dumelo. Today, because we are.
I hope that guy will not hear this now. I feel like maybe. No.
If you hear that, protect somebody come fix something for your house.
You will see the things that you will
It's
fix.
not a good no now.
You will fix things, eh?
On a many way they crush on her. So he has a lot of.
So if you hear you say, come fix
I'm
the
not
thing,
a
you
crush
go.
now.
Tell them goodbye because I have to end the show right now, please. Just tell them goodbye. Just tell John Dumelo goodbye. Just tell it on the street. He will hear you.
Oga John.
Goodbye.
You see.
And then we'll say something goodbye to them.
Well, let the cranking continue.
Shakara.
Wait till I know be that. As they go.
Shakara, say something.
Okay, good night, guys. You know, I see
So,
you.
from us in the bar, we love you so much. Take care of yourself and make sure whenever you see opportunity,
Take it.
take it.
Receive it.
Good night. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.